Anaxagoras was an ancient Greek philosopher who lived in the 5th century BCE, making him a contemporary of the prominent figures like Socrates and Empedocles. He is considered one of the key figures in the development of the pre-Socratic philosophy, a period when Greek thinkers were exploring fundamental questions about the nature of reality, the cosmos, and the origins of the universe. Anaxagoras made significant contributions to various areas of philosophy, science, and cosmology. Let's delve into some key aspects of his life and thought. His background life. Anaxagoras was born around 500 BCE in Clazomenae, a city in what is now modern-day Turkey. He later moved to Athens, where he spent a significant portion of his life. His move to Athens marked an important transition as he became a central figure in the intellectual and philosophical circles of the city. His philosophical contributions. The theory of everything, Nous. Anaxagoras is perhaps best known for his concept of Nous, mind or intellect. He proposed that a fundamental and infinite substance called Nous was the driving force behind the cosmos. According to him, everything in the universe, from the smallest particles to celestial bodies, is influenced and guided by this cosmic intellect. Rejection of Empedocles' 4 elements. While earlier philosophers like Empedocles had proposed that the universe was composed of 4 basic elements such as earth, water, air, and fire, Anaxagoras rejected this idea. Instead, he argued that everything was made up of an infinite number of infinitely divisible particles, which he called Nous, or Nous seeds. Cosmic order and principle. Anaxagoras posited that the arrangement of these particles by the cosmic intellect, Nous, was responsible for the order and organization of the universe. This concept challenged the prevailing views of his time, which often attributed cosmic order to chance or divine intervention. Scientific contributions. Anaxagoras made several important observations about the natural world, including the correct explanation for lunar eclipses, the Earth casting a shadow on the moon, and the recognition of meteorites as extraterrestrial rocks. His interest in natural phenomenon contributed to the development of early Greek science. Influence on later philosophers. Anaxagoras' ideas had a profound influence on the development of Western philosophy and science. His emphasis on rational explanations for natural phenomena and his rejection of purely mythological or mystical accounts paved the way for later philosophers like Aristotle. His controversy and persecution. Anaxagoras faced challenges and hostility in Athens due to his philosophical views. His assertion that the sun was not a divine being, but a fiery rock, drew the ire of religious authorities, leading to accusations of impiety. As a result, he was put on trial and eventually left Athens, spending the rest of his life in exile. In summary, Anaxagoras was a pioneering figure in ancient Greek philosophy and science. His concept of Nous as a cosmic intellect and his rejection of earlier elemental theories marked a significant shift in thought. Despite facing persecution for his unorthodox views, Anaxagoras' contributions to philosophy and science had a lasting impact and continue to be studied and appreciated for their role in the development of Western intellectual traditions. Thank you for listening.